Good afternoon, one and all. I take great pleasure in extending a warm and hearty welcome to all to the valedictory session of this 1 week online faculty development program on advancing towards sustainable teaching, learning, and evaluation methods organized by Sidnam Faculty Development Center under Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Mission on Teachers and Training in collaboration with KJ Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce under UGC Paramarsh scheme. A hearty welcome to all. Dear friends, in this week-long faculty program, we began our journey with demystifying the propensity and psychology of learners. We went ahead knowing detailed approaches as far as teaching pedagogy is concerned. Then we learned how we can devise various strategies for learners to demonstrate their knowledge. At the same time, we have also now efficient, proficient developing MOOCs. And this is all going to contribute towards the repository of knowledge and the intellectual wealth of the nation. I assume all the participants must have gained a lot in all these sessions. Sincere gratitude to the core committee, organizing team members, resourceful, very vibrant and proficient resource persons, and my dear teacher participants. A big thank you to all. Before we go ahead with the formal proceedings of the valedictory session, I would like to request all to rise for the campus prayer. Sunil sir.
Hello.
Sunil sir, can we begin with the campus prayer?
Yes.
पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ईशावास्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किञ्च जगत्यां जगत् तेन त्यक्तेन भुञ्जीथाः मा गृधः कस्य स्विद्धनम् मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम् ॐ प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती धीनाम् अवित्र्यवतु ॐ चोदयित्री सूनृतानां चेतन्ती सुमतीनां यज्ञं दधे सरस्वती ॐ असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतंगमय ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै सर्वेऽत्र सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखमाप्नुयात् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Thank you. Dear teacher participants, feedback is the ultimate and final link as far as the process of communication is concerned. Feedback sometimes gives corrective measures. It also boosts one's self-esteem and helps one to better as far as his or her performance is concerned. Here, we would like to get feedback from our teacher participants. It would be indeed encouraging for us if we come to know about your thoughts, ideas, or any suggestion to be made as far as this online faculty development program is concerned. We have participants from different corners of the nation. So we have chosen around 5 teacher participants from East, West, North, and Southern zone to give feedback and express their thoughts and opinions and if suggestions to make. So we begin with now Dr. Chandana Chetia. She is from Assam. Ma'am, over to you. Dr. Chandana Chetia from Assam. Ma'am, kindly unmute your mic and give your valuable feedback, suggestions on this FDP. Dr. Chandana Chetia.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Chandana Chetia. Dr. Chandana Chetia, over to you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. You are audible. Please go ahead.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for giving me an opportunity to share my experience with you all today. And good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Chandana Chetia, faculty from the Department of English, Digboi College, Assam. To begin with, I would like to congratulate the organizing team members on their successful completion of the FDP program. At the same time, I would like to say thank you to some of the people who have walked the FDP with us. Thank you, Mamta Kulkarni ma'am, Mahendra sir, Jasmine ma'am, Shubhangi ma'am, Sunil sir, Satyavan sir, Sangeeta ma'am, Milin sir, and all others for organizing such a wonderful program. My sincere thanks goes to all the resource persons whose proper guidance and well-researched presentations left an indelible mark on the mind of all the participants, I suppose. All the lectures were very interesting, enlightening, and engaging. The learning format was a bit tough, I would say, compared to the other 4 FDPs which I attended. Too many assignments to do. But anyways, it contributed a lot in enhancement of my knowledge in the field of teaching pedagogies, open educational resources for teaching and research, Bloom's taxonomy, MOOCs platform and proposals, Google Classroom, and today's class, of course, online evaluation tools. By all these topics were covered by all the resource persons. So learning was enjoyable and experiential at the same time. And to conclude with, I would like to say that the whole FDP was well structured and rich in content. I was really interested to see the trajectories of the wide range it covered. All the deliberations were very gripping. And during the lectures, there wasn't a moment where I switched off. It helped me ignite my thought process and identify some of the areas which I would not have looked before. I have learned a lot in these few days. Last but not the least, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate my fellow participants upon a successful completion of this program. Thank you, Team FDP, for giving us the opportunity to explore more and adapt to change better. Thank you for all your support and help. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. Now I request Mr. B. Pawan Kumar to share thoughts, his ideas or some suggestions to be made as far as this FDP is concerned. So your feedback, please. Mr. Pawan Kumar, over to you, sir. Sir, kindly unmute. Sir, kindly unmute your mic.
Hello, am I audible to you, ma'am?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
Thank you, and good evening to one and all. I am V. Pawan Kumar, Assistant Professor of English from SRK Engineering College, Bhimavaram, Andhra Pradesh. It gives me immense pleasure to share my feedback on this online FDP. This FDP especially is an eye-opener to me. I am truly benefited with this FDP and able to gain new insights on different topics delivered by the speakers of this program. All the deliberations are truly instrumental in enhancing my knowledge, and they are very much useful in real lifetime situations. All the organizers of this FDP are very helpful and extended their support to clarify all the doubts of the teacher participants with lots of patience. That's really a wonderful thing in this FDP. And I'm also looking forward to attend upcoming programs from your side. Last but not least, at the bottom of my heart, I would like to thank all the organizers for giving me this wonderful opportunity. Thank you all, and once again, namaste to all. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable feedback. It matters the most for us. Now, may I request Dr. Manisha Kulkarni to place and record her feedback. Dr. Manisha Kulkarni, over to you. I request Manisha ma'am to kindly unmute the microphone. Dr. Manisha Kulkarni.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Yes, madam. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Respected organizing committee members, respected all resource persons, and my dear fellow participants, I would like to take this opportunity to give my honest feedback and extend my heartfelt gratitude to all. Right from inauguration session, entire faculty development program was really well organized, planned, and till now everything is perfect. All resource persons were very resourceful. We enjoyed learning, interactive sessions, discussions, deliberations, vigils, these all things, and same time assignments also. Even though they were tedious and little bit burden, but we did it with the same spirit. I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the resource persons on behalf of all the fellow participants and my own behalf. Organizing team members were very cooperative, and same time discipline was maintained by them in the areas like communication, timely instructions, reminders, updating the WhatsApp messages, and all these things. And while doing these things, they were very objective in the communication. A very big thank you to all the members of organizing committee. With due respect to organizing committee, I request the committee to kindly permit me to extend my heartfelt thanks to all my fellow participants. And lastly, madam, same time, I would like to bring to the notice of the organizing committee, we all participants, we enjoyed, and same time, we worked very seriously during this feedback faculty development program. Once again, I thank everybody. Thank you one and all for your kind cooperation.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Now, may I request Dr. Amanpreet Kaur Kang from Ludhiana to place on record her feedback. Dr. Amanpreet Kaur, over to you, ma'am. Ma'am, kindly unmute your microphone. Dr. Amanpreet Kaur.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Oh, okay. Good evening, one and all. First of all, I want to thank SFDC, MHRD New Delhi, and last but not the least, organizers and faculty of KG Samaya College of Arts and Commerce, Mumbai, for organizing this wonderful FDP and making us part of it as well. I feel very honored that I have been given this opportunity to speak for giving feedback for this FDP. Since we have been listening to the lectures of very eminent resource persons who are well versed with their topic and also cleared all our inquiries very patiently. Through this program, we got to know about educational technologies like MOOC, open educational resources, effective question paper setting, characteristics of effective teaching pedagogies, Google Classroom, creating Poggle sheet and online evaluation tools, etc. The whole structure of this FTP was very planned. So we can see through the topics the organizers have chosen. Yeah, though being it a very hectic program, I really enjoyed making assignments, especially question paper setting and Poggle sheet. I know that we have very problem with the assignments, but no doubt we were feeling very tired, as some were saying कि सोने को कम मिल रहा है, थक जाते हैं. Even I have been sleeping very late in the night, but as we know that to get something we have to lose something. And I definitely can say that we have learned a very unique thing, which are the things which are going to be really helpful in present times and as well as in the coming scenario. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Of course, it's very hectic. We all know that daily 6 hours, all the teacher participants have been attending sessions and then giving quizzes and solving assignments and all. We do appreciate your efforts, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for your feedback. Now, may I request Professor Meera Venkatesh from KJ Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce to give her feedback. Professor Meera Venkatesh, over to you.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Please go ahead.
Good evening to all members present on this virtual platform. It's my privilege to propose a vote of thanks for so many selfless superiors and colleagues who have worked hard to put up this FDP on an online platform. In a sense, it is a pioneer activity by my parent institution, KJ Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce, and I'm glad to be a participant here. Let me take this opportunity to thank UGC HRDC for permitting such an online FDP that is a pressing need of the hour. Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Mission on Teachers and Teaching has conceptualized the training of teachers of all levels on recent developments in the field of education. And with the advent of lockdown in most parts of the world, the online mode of training teachers has become convenient and practical for all of us, especially teachers. I extend thankfulness to principal, staff, and management of Sydenham Faculty Development Center for taking on the responsibility of supporting KJ Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce and partnering in hosting this FDP. In the same breath, the principal, management, and staff of KJ Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce have relentlessly synergized their months of brainstorming and teamwork, and the smooth conduct of this FDP is indeed a reflection of their sustained efforts. IQAC of KJ Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce has taken up this onus by setting up a pioneering trend to establish UGC-sponsored schemes like Paramarsh and spearhead multiple programs like this online FDP and many more like MOOC platforms in the pipeline. All good wishes to Principal KJ Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce and to Team IQAC for success in all ventures. Our resource persons have been the best of their kind. Their specialization and mastery over their subject topics and delivery have been lessons by themselves for us to incorporate. A heartfelt thankfulness to Dr. Asim Moti, Ms. Shanti Pise, Dr. Anusha Ramanathan, Dr. Marizban Kotwal, Dr. Flora Shah, Ms. Lakshmi Ware, Dr. Yogendra Pal, and of course, our guest for today and our final and probably the best resource person, Dr. Surendranath Reddy, who has given us so many insights into testing, which is really a concern for us teachers. Teaching can be very easy sometimes, but testing becomes even more challenging. So thank you very much, Dr. Surendranath Reddy, for this amazing and eye-opening session. And we do hope that someday many of us also share our knowledge selflessly, like Dr. Reddy, in the same manner as all the other resource persons too have done. I wish to thank all my co-participants for sharing their learning whenever possible and for lending their opinions and appreciation on discussion forum. To connect on one platform from various corners of the country to upgrade skills and teaching aids has been immensely fruitful and worthwhile as we revert to our teaching tasks with empowered learning and utilitarian skills. The most important pillar on which this FDP has moved ahead is the technical support provided by my dedicated colleagues from the host college, that is my college, KJ Somaya College of Arts and Commerce. On behalf of all participants and on a personal note, thank you all conveners and all my friends and colleagues in Team IQAC. A big thank you to all.
Thank you so much, Meera ma'am, for such kind appreciation and acknowledgement of the efforts being extended by all the resource persons, committee members, and dear participants. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Now, may I request Dr. Surendranath Reddy to address all our teacher participants. Dr. Surendranath Reddy, over to you, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you, madam. First of all, I would like to thank for making me chief guest, maybe because I had last lecture. So I'm lucky that I am the chief guest for this small function. And it's a honor for me, I accept it. First thing I would like to congratulate all the teacher participants because I know I have seen the timetable of this program, and from opinion of the teacher participants, I have seen that it is a little hectic, but I like the sincerity maintained by KJ Somaya College, because I do follow same things whenever we organize some program, and I hope that they will pass everyone. Okay, so if at all any problem is there, if there is no technical problem, I hope that everybody are wonderfully done their job. And because from morning 11 to 5 or 6, 5:30 every day, spending time and live is not so easy. After that, again spending time, we do understand from a teacher point of view and family point of view is very difficult. So at least as far as I concerned, I am not so strict about evaluation. We are good at sincerity, and learning is most important, because in 2 hours, if whatever I talk in this 1.5 to 2 hours, it is impossible to remember each and everything. So it may be not possible immediately to answer. And morning session is also there, and daily 5 sessions, 5 days continuously such sessions. So we can understand the problem of it. And first of all, you have learned many things on that way. I congratulate each and everyone. And it is not our subject, you should understand, is if I know some name, for example, then if you start looking into it, you can definitely understand. 10 days back, I don't know about Loom for recording. Somebody said during that, sir, there is a Loom, and then I have Googled it, and I'm able to explain to others. So knowing something is most important in this platform, because it is not subject oriented. It is not our subject. So if it is a subject, I do understand that we have to go in deep and discuss. These are all tools where you don't require much master in that. So sometimes just a name can help you. So you go through those PPTs again. All the resource persons might have provided their PPTs and all. Go through it whenever you have time. But best thing what you can return to someone is that you should start using these tools in your regular teaching. Once you start using, that is the reward you are giving. As I said, test modes, just for example. I learned test modes, then I explained to many people. So at least you explain to your teacher colleagues, because 140 teachers have attended. So if 140 teachers, at least each teacher explain to 2 or 3 people, if they make comfort with all these tools, then it makes a big change. I know about that. So the best way to return to something, to this faculty development program or to the resource persons, is start using these tools, and you just explain to your colleagues who have not attended this and who are not aware of such tools. That is one of the best thing you can give to this. And I also like to point out here that these assignments are quizzes. It is not meant for testing your knowledge. It is only for the sake of, because of assignment is there. For example, test modes, if I don't say that you prepare a quiz with 10 questions, then because of our busy schedule, we may not able to prepare. So if you don't prepare now, there is a high chance that you will forget. That is the purpose of quiz or assignment, so that you will learn immediately, and later also you can start using it. So that is the reason to give assignments. Many people have liked it. It may be hard, but it is definitely useful for you only. And last thing I would like to tell you here is that some people have asked about whatever activity I may be doing. definitely I will share the link with organizers. They will be informing you. Don't worry about that. And you just search my name. By the time by this time my name may be visible on YouTube, because some 8,000 subscribers are there, many views are there. So just keep in touch with. Once you subscribe any live session, you will get automatically. So I have taken especially my talk very serious, especially this faculty development program, because the way they are organizing every day, I have seen that there is a lot of professionalism is there, lot of commitment is there. So I thought that as a resource person, we should do 100%, because so many times some people organize webinars, many times they don't even available to talk. If we have some problem, they just start the session and go somewhere and come back. But I have seen these people are very committed, and I like the people who are committed to their work. And I hope we'll be in touch with them. We all will be in touch with them. See, there may be many people who are better than me, or better than resource persons who have given. Only thing is, by chance we got as a resource person. So definitely you will also maybe getting chance somewhere else. It is not like you don't know or we are only knowing it. Everybody, this is a platform where we can share each and every one. And next time somewhere, not only ICT tools, I should not be put as a stamp as ICT tool teacher. I like mathematics, so hope sometime with some of you people I will be there as a mathematics teacher. And I wholeheartedly once again thank you, madam, making me as a chief guest. I'm honored, and I don't know whether I'm eligible or not. I really thank especially Meera madam. You have whatever words you have talked about me, they are so special. I keep those things in my mind, and I will try to improve every day. So if my Professor S. Kumareshan is a great mathematician, at the age of 70 also he is doing service, great service. What he told, I always remember: if you want to be a learner, you want to grow yourself, be like a student. The moment you feel like you are a teacher, because we all know that teacher means we know everything, so we stop learning. So I always want to be a student, because if I want to be if I am in student position, I can understand the problems of students, and I can learn, I can work towards. So be like a student always, then you can learn things, many things. Don't be like, I am a teacher, now I know everything, right? So with these things, I thank you once again, madam. I stop here.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for presiding over this valedictory session and also giving valuable insights with reference to how to use online evaluation tools to all the teacher participants. Sir, I must put it on record that all the resource persons, they have shared such a vast repository of knowledge with all the teacher participants, which will definitely enable them to catalyze this entire teaching learning process, because the shift from this traditional teacher-centered pedagogy to the learner-centered pedagogy is a welcoming change. It's a sweeping change, and all the teachers are ready to embrace the same. It's indeed embracing of new tidings. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you all, dear teacher participants as well. Now, may I request Dr. Veena Sanekar, IC Principal of KG Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce, to give her valedictory. KG Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce. Over to you, ma'am.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, madam.
World, yes, sir. World is an ocean of knowledge, and whatever we have collected is just a drop of knowledge. Vivekananda's thought, so much true. As Indian tradition says, and just now Dr. Reddy sir also mentioned, that teaching is actually learning. Wherever thirst of knowledge is alive, in fact, the learning also is alive there. Real teacher is a teacher who always believes in continuous learning, who is always in search of new ways and techniques, and who always believes to explore and experiment. I feel all teachers in this FDP are real teachers, as they I listened their comments and their expressions in which they said that all assignments were really hectic work for all of them, but still they enjoyed it and they really tried to be a good teacher and as well as a good student. I really appreciate our own, own college team, IQSE team, working so hard. And I was so happy when Reddy sir said that this team is really committed team and they are working so hard, and professionalism, about their professionalism also they spoke. I was very happy, sir. Our team is really working so hard for days and months, and I can see that for the excellence, for academic excellence, and for quality enhancement. I really so thankful to Sidnam College and their teachers, faculty development training center, Dr. Jain sir, Dr. Sangeeta madam, and Jain sir's team. I'm really happy that they all supported our IQSC team. I really appreciate the young leader and the leadership of Dr. Satyavan Hanigave, our IQSC chairperson, and everyone who is working for the successful program of FDP. Compare our technical support team, everybody who is contributing. If I take name of everybody, I really am worried if I miss some name. So I'll just say that I'm proud of you. I'm proud of you, of my IQSC team members. When in this Corona pandemic, because of pandemic, we feel like a whole world is like lockdown mode, in static mode, and teachers, we can see teachers from different part of India who are really rigorously want to grow, and for their academic growth they have joined this FDP. I'm really very happy, teachers, all participants who have completed their FDP from different parts of India. We are very happy that you are part of this FDP. As a host, as a host college, I am really very happy that we all are together for our students, for our own institute. And as I said, that we really want to grow, and the growth is, and we are working for sustainable growth. I once again thank Sidnam Center, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya Mission, and of course Paramarsh, as we are one of the team, mentor team under Paramarsh. I should mention the Paramarsh. And also, as I said, that Jain sir, we didn't meet, but Jain sir, I have heard a lot about you and about your team. I feel that this type of FDPs are need of all of us, as they give us opportunity to share and to share our views, to learn and to take and also to give. So both ways, these type of FDPs are really very helpful for us on our journey as a teacher. Once again, I thank every one of you, for team of organizers, team of our all our resource persons, and all participants. Once again, thank you to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those words of appreciation and acknowledgement of the efforts of the core committee and the organizing committee conveners and all the participants. Thank you. Thank you once again, ma'am. Friends, leadership is an action. It's not just a position. Dr. Satyavan Hanigave, the IQSC coordinator of Kwijasomaya College of Arts and Commerce and Paramarsh scheme in charge, has been toiling hard since last few months in order to materialize this faculty development program, online faculty development program. For us, he is indeed an epitome of best leadership. Sir, we look forward to support and encouragement from you always. Today, I request Dr. Satyavan Hanegave, the IQSC chairperson and Paramarsh scheme chairperson, to propose vote of thanks. Dr. Satyavan Hanegave, over to you.
Thank you so much, madam, for such a sweet and inspiring word. And I also thank Madam Principal, Dr. Veena Sanekar, for inspiring and motivating us. Before the couple of announcement goes, so I'll take some couple of minutes to express my gratitude to the people, those who have contributed to the success of this entire FDP. This week was a very hectic for all of us. It started on the 10th August 2020 to 14th August 2020, and this consists of the 10 valuable sessions. It was just like a churning Dhyana Yajna for all of us, because the range of the topics that which were covered, right from an introduction to teaching pedagogies to psychology of learning and learner, OER, Bloom's taxonomy, flipping the classroom, creation of videos for academic purpose, MOOCs, writing MOOCs proposals, Google Classroom, and then the online evaluation tools. Altogether, this was, I can say, one of the beautiful kind of topics that which we bring it to you, and you guys enjoyed in this topic of advancing towards sustainable teaching, learning, and evaluation methods. And all the resource persons, right from Asimauti to Dr. B. Surendranath Reddy, they were really rich, resourceful, and really they were for us. So with Honorable Dr. Veena Sanekar, the Principal, KJ Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce, respected Dr. B. Surendranath Reddy, and the faculty, Swami Ramanand Tirth, Marathwada Vidyapith, Nanded, and the SFDC project head, Mr. Dr. Jain, and all the teachers, participants, and a very good evening to all of you. I am Dr. Satyavan Hanegave, IQSC coordinator, KJ Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce. I feel really proud for myself and for my entire team, and I have been invited to propose a vote of thanks, especially for this 1 week online faculty development program organized by Sidlam Faculty Development Center in association with KJ Somaiya College of Arts and Commerce under Paramarsh scheme, under the Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya National Mission for Teachers and Teaching. So altogether, this was
Hello, Satyavan sir.